Good afternoon, my name is Dennis Dunn. I'm from Harcourts Dunn in Durbanville, and today I just want to share with you a little secret how you can buy properties at Kogelberg Estate and let SARS help you and your tenant help you to pay for these properties. As Warren Buffett said once at a time, look at market fluctuations as your friend rather than your enemy. So Article 13.6 Kogelberg Estate Haasendal Kuilsriver. Section 13.6, this is for low-cost residential units. This is an incentive to encourage private sector to revive and renew inner city areas. The criteria is it's building owned by the taxpayer, so all these properties must be in one entity, either in your personal name, either in a trust or company, but all the properties must be in one entity. It must be used solely for trade, so in other words, you can't use your holiday home or your private residence. You must rent it out. You have to have tenants in there, and you must be the first owner who bought these properties. It must be within an urban zone. It cannot be, it must be in the inner city areas, and it must be a minimum of 5 units. So you can buy 5 units as the years go on until you've got the 5th unit. It will kick in, or you can buy 5 units and you can use it immediately. I'm going to show you how you can benefit from this. So let SARS and your tenant help you pay your property at Kogelberg Estate in Haasendal in Kuilsriver. If you buy 5 1.35 million rand properties, it will equate to 6.75 million rand. So 55% of that SARS will allow you as a tax deduction to reduce your taxable liability. So 185,625 rand per year you can use to write off from your taxable income for 20 years. As a savvy investor using the rebate, you can build your property portfolio effectively tax-free until retirement. You can buy extra property every year that will create wealth. So 22.8% of the purchase price is rebated over 20 years. So SARS is contributing to your pension at Kogelberg Estate, Haasendal. So if you take a bond over this property, 1,350 million over 20 years, it will cost you 11,082 rand on a down payment. On a bond over 30 years, it will cost you 9,671 rand on down payment on your bond. Your rental income on these properties, 11,000 rand paid by your tenant. So the tenant pays for all the expenses on the property. So again, you don't need money to buy this property. You can use the bank's money to finance the property, and your tenant will pay the bond on that property. So the positives on buying property in Kogelberg Estate is, the first thing is pay less tax because of your incentive through SARS. So as you buy more properties through the years that you're going on, you will pay less tax every year as you go on. Obviously, no one wants to pay a lot of tax. The second thing, let your tenant pay the bond. So I've been doing this. I always use other people's time, other people's money. So let your tenant pay the bond. And the third thing, your property will be cash flow positive in a year's time. And then the last thing is you'll get great capital growth in that area. It's a great area. It's next to the Kuilsriver Golf Club. And it's in the new Haasendal Estate. So that is just some ideas how you can build your wealth through property and at Kogelberg Estate in Haasendal Kuilsriver. Thank you.